Please tell me I am not the only person that does this in public. When I see a building or a piece of furniture or something, I'm like, how can I model this in SketchUp? Not that I'm going to model it in SketchUp, but I just want to think through the process of how I would actually model this in SketchUp. And I'm like, okay, so first I would start with my rectangle tool, do my measurements, then I grab my push-pull tool, and then, if I want to do a little detail, then I'm going to grab my offset tool. Oh, need to rotate this, going to grab the rotate tool, maybe scale it up a little bit, I don't know. Of course, I'm going to have to make it into a group or a component, and then I'm going to copy that around. Maybe I need to grab my follow me tool, do a little detail on the trim. Then I'm going to go in with my line tool, of course, and I'm going to start adding some more detail to make sure that I remember that I keep grouping these things because I don't want a sloppy model. Better make sure that I'm keeping everything organized and tagging everything. Got a complicated piece of geometry, which extension am I going to use? How is this going to look when I render it in Diffusion? How big is my file going to be? Am I going to be able to import any components from the 3D warehouse? And then I come back to reality and I'm like, I'm not actually going to model this in SketchUp. Why is my brain always thinking about how I'm going to construct something, how I'm going to model something? Am I the only person that does this?